Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the coffee trend, the one that everyone's been doing. It's the whipped coffee or the dalgona.
I think, yeah, good job, good memory. I didn't remember.
I think that's what it's called,
yeah.
dalgona?
Dalgona.
Yeah, or whipped coffee. We're gonna do that trend, but then we're also gonna try it with a few different things and see which one is the best. So we're gonna try this first with the coffee, with the instant coffee. We're gonna try it with chocolate cocoa powder. We're gonna try it with peanut butter powder, and we're gonna try it with cinnamon powder. The only way to do this successfully is with a stand mixer or a hand mixer.
Can I just say that
if you don't have a stand mixer or don't feel like you need one, I don't cook or bake or anything, but she bought me this as a Christmas present, and like I find myself using it all the time. Like you just find uses for it, and it's so helpful. So just shout out to KitchenAid. That's all I want to say.
Thanks for that. So it's 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, so I'm just using the Nespresso Gold. 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm using monk fruit powder just because I don't want to use refined sugars. And then 2 tablespoons of hot water. So it's just water that we boiled and it's just sitting in a cup right now. So we'll see which one's best. We've never done any of them before.
we don't know if it's gonna work, but I smell that.
This one is really good if you haven't had it before. I'll link it in the description box below if you haven't, but basically monk fruit is all natural and it doesn't raise your insulin like sugar does.
Yeah, the golden one smells exactly like brown sugar. So you turn this on and cue the obligatory dance montage.
And action. That's as whipped as it's gonna get.
That looks amazing.
So this is kind of what it looks like. It's like a whip.
Yeah.
So we just put some ice in these little cups. So we're just gonna use oat milk. You can use almond milk or any kind of nut milk. All right, so this is it. Look at it seep
Yeah,
down.
it actually looks so cool. I love that. I think it's so cool.
I think you're so cool.
I think you're cooler than cool.
I think you're the coolest.
I think you're ice cold.
Alright, ladies. Yeah. What's cooler than being cool? Ice cold.
You ruined it.
Wow, that's amazing. You got a coffee mustache. You look ridiculous. Actually, you're supposed to do it like this.
Can you look in the camera?
All right, let's try the next one.
Hold on.
Awesome.
Let's shot this down because we don't have other cups. All right, so now we're gonna do a chocolate cocoa powder whipped cream.
Let's try it.
All right, I'm just using regular cocoa powder. You can use cacao powder. I just didn't have any. I hope it works.
I think it will.
Do you?
I do. And then what's last?
Water. Wish us luck.
Let's see if this works. I don't know if this will work. I don't think that's gonna whip.
Could taste really good.
All right, let's try it.
All right, so this didn't.
Go ahead.
All right, so this did not whip at all, but instead it made like a chocolate paste. Look at that.
I mean, it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks thicker. But guys, what if we just invented something sick?
Yeah, you don't know.
It's literally, it's so heavy, it's sinking to the bottom. Like, it's not going to be cute and on top like the coffee. Why are you sweating so
It's
much?
hot. These lights are hot. like, how are you not
I'm
sweating?
kind of chilly.
That's chocolate milk.
It's literally chocolate milk.
I mean, I guess we should have known. we combined milk and chocolate.
Quarantine hasn't made us smarter, okay? It's made us stupid. Chandler, what is it?
That was delicious.
Like, we should have known.
Yeah, I don't know what we were thinking. Next up, peanut butter.
But like, hold on.
What?
I think we have to mix all of it with coffee. I think coffee makes it whipped. And then the next one, peanut butter and coffee, and then cinnamon and coffee.
Peanut butter coffee flavor?
Yeah, that's what dreams are made of. Oh, we're gonna use the PB and Meat peanut butter powder. And if you haven't seen this before, it's basically just peanuts without the oil. So let's try this again. So I'm gonna do, should we do 1 tablespoon of each?
1 tablespoon of that and then 1 tablespoon of this.
Okay. Alrighty.
Let's go.
I'm excited.
Wow. Me too. Okay, this one's not whipping. I don't know why, but let's try adding a bit more water. We don't know what we're doing.
We have no idea. This is like the biggest fail. So now we're at 3.5 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of monk fruit powder, 2 tablespoons of espresso powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter.
We just
powder.
threw that ratio out the window. I hope we didn't just ruin it. Oh, God. I think that's whip.
That is whip.
All right, finally. Okay, let's go get the rest of the stuff. Oops. 5. Damn it. Whatever, it's a disaster now. Cheers. Drinks up. I don't like that one. All right, so all that effort was for nothing. Like, I literally took us half an hour to try and whip that.
All right, guys.
That's true.
Do you want to go take care of that?
I mean, it's true, but I can hold it.
I'm feeling a little defeated. I had this like vision that we were gonna make all these like wonderfully whipped like treats, and I had this like vision that it was gonna be like these beautiful fluffy like desserts, and that didn't happen.
Chocolate failed. Our peanut butter failed.
Even our coffee wasn't that good.
It wasn't as good as we've made it before. Like, what is happening?
We're gonna try cinnamon, okay? Cinnamon, espresso, whipped coffee. If this doesn't work, well, you know, I'm sorry.
Okay, Google. How do you whip stuff?
Here are some results from a search.
Useless. It's going. If you know what the heck we're doing wrong, please tell us in the comments, because we don't know.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Like, it's about to get dark outside.
Sun's gonna set. We started this 4 hours ago.
Okay, guys, this looks pretty damn whippy.
Look at that.
This looks whippier than all the whips we've done.
Yeah, look at that.
This looks phenomenal.
Okay, this looks like it was worth the wait. Let's see if I'm scared.
What if it's bad?
It smells so strong.
There's so much cinnamon.
It smells like so much cinnamon.
Like, you wouldn't put a tablespoon of cinnamon in a coffee, right? You'd put like a few, like a pinch. You normally do a pinch.
This smells intense. All right, down the hatch. So gross. So gross. Oh,
I have to say something. I'm sorry that I wasted your time, and you'll never get this time back. Like, this is quarantine time that could have been better spent watching TV, sitting on your couch.
If it makes me feel any better, it was minutes of your life, and it was 4 hours of ours.
So you know what? You should feel bad for us, not you.
Wow, that last one was bad.
And it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it was awful.
But I wouldn't recommend it.
It's like revisiting that cinnamon challenge from 10 years ago.
True.
Bottom line, any kids watching this, what did we learn today? Don't try anything new. Stick to what you know and like.
Next week, I will do an actual... Sorry. Next week, I will do a recipe video and stick to what I know, which is food.
What did we learn today? 2 tablespoons of espresso, 2 tablespoons of sugar or monk fruit, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix together, make a wonderful whip that you put on some milk, and it tastes delicious. And don't try anything else. If you made it this far into the video, what's wrong with you? What are you doing with your life? Turn this off.
Go home.
Go do a puzzle. Go draw a picture.
Go do a
you
home
want-
workout. Yeah, maybe go do some sit-ups or something. Something I will not do today. Do anything else but keep watching this video. Plant Lana out.
See you next week.
Chandler does not like to be close to Joey, and if he does, this happens. That's a new musical instrument. Ready? Bum bum be dum bum bum be bum.